Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If retro cat eye sunglasses are your thing, check this pair out. This is a cream and gradient brown frame. These are bold and fun. They're comfortable to wear. They really look good with everything, whether I want to wear them casual when I'm taking a walk, poolside, to work, or a lunch date. Work or play, these are not going to let you down. I am wild about the look and the shape, but also how comfortable they are. You know, sometimes you can get a fantastic pair of sunglasses, but then when you wear them, you're like, oh no, they're not that comfortable. But you know, I really love these. I find myself reaching for them over and over. I love the way this white frame kind of looks good with everything, whether I'm sitting by the pool in the sun or whether I have to go pick up my groceries. They are not too large, and it's kind of a narrower frame, so I really like the style of these. They are cat eye, but not too exaggerated. And that is my point of view.